Hello guys, welcome back. Is Xiaomi trying to steal the spotlight from Samsung? Let's find out.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh yeah!
Xiaomi announced today that they will hold the Mi 9 launch event on the 20th of February, the same date as the Galaxy S10's Unpack event. Will they steal the spotlight from Samsung? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. I think that maybe in Asia, but not in Europe or North America. The Xiaomi Mi 9 was spotted earlier this year on Geekbench with the codename Xiaomi Surface and with a Snapdragon 855. Also, the device is rumored to be launched with 6, 8 or 10 GB of RAM, with 27-watt fast charging and with a start price of $436. As the Mi 8 from last year, the device will also have an in-display fingerprint scanner. Other features of the Mi 9 that have to be confirmed are the water drop notch and the triple camera setup on the back. Also today, a few hours after the Mi 9 launch event announcement, the device leaked. In the photos, we can see the device with triple camera lens setup on the back and a water drop notch on the front, as the leaks were suggesting. The water drop notch means there will be no 3D face scanning technology like on the Mi 8 Pro from last year. For the cameras, the phone is rumored to have a 48 megapixel main sensor, 13 megapixel telephoto sensor and 16 megapixel wide angle sensor. This looks like a really nice device from Xiaomi, and even the bottom chin has been reduced. What do you think about the Xiaomi Mi 9? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, as I will be covering all the latest news from the tech world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.